Hey guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today we're going to be unboxing something. Don't know what, but let's get into it. And it is some tax discs. I think there's probably some more in here, so yeah, let's get them open. Yeah, there's some more. Yeah, here are some Stagecoach Tax Discs, which are pretty neat. Little something different to add to my collection. It will just come out. There we go. So yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah. Here we have the first tax disc for SV54EKJ. The Volvo bus. And yeah, owned by Stagecoach, which is pretty cool. So yeah. Here's the front and here's the back. Moving on, we have a tax disc for SV54BYZ. And yes, it is another Stagecoach. All these are Stagecoaches, by the way. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back. Next, we have a tax disc for PX05EKY. You can look all these up if you like. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back. Here we have a tax disc for PX05ENF. So here's the front and here's the back. Here we have another one for PX05ENE, as you can see. So yeah, PX05ENE, if I didn't say that. And yeah, here's the front and here's the back. Finally, we have a tax disc for PX05EKW. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back. So now let's get the thumbnail. So thank you guys for watching and peace out.